Hi everyone, my name is Tracy Falco. I am an instructional data specialist at Fogelsville Elementary in the Parkland School District. This is my third year as an instructional data specialist. Prior to that, I taught 9 years of first grade, and prior to that, I taught Title I. So you can see my educational journey has been long and diverse. This year at Fogelsville, we implemented a new reading program called the Enhanced Core Reading Instruction. It actually wasn't a new program, but it was a piece of our program which really took a deep dive into the science of reading and explicitly taught our first graders through phoneme grapheme mapping and direct instruction. We've seen great success with our students this year, and we look forward to continuing it again next year. This summer, I look forward to hanging out with friends and family at our pool. My husband and I have a trip scheduled to Bermuda for 9 days, which is our home away from home, and we absolutely adore it. I look forward to learning from all of you and with all of you, and I'll see you online soon. Bye.